If you're looking to use affiliate data to guide your content strategy, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage the data you're collecting through affiliate programs to create better, more targeted content that drives conversions and grows your audience. First things first, make sure you're tracking the right affiliate data. You need to know which products are performing the best and which affiliate links are getting the most clicks. Start by looking at key metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and overall sales. This gives you a clear picture of what's resonating with your audience. Next, analyze the content that's driving the most affiliate clicks. Is it a blog post, a review, a tutorial? This data will tell you exactly what type of content your audience is engaging with, so you can replicate that success. For example, if you're seeing high conversions from a product review, consider creating more detailed, in-depth reviews or comparisons of similar products. But it's not just about the content type. Look at the timing as well. When do people click on your affiliate links the most? Is it after a specific event or during a certain season? Use this information to adjust your content calendar and ensure you're publishing at the right time to maximize your affiliate earnings. Now, one of the best ways to enhance your content strategy using affiliate data is by listening to your audience. Track any feedback or comments they leave about the products you're promoting. If they're asking for more information or specific comparisons, you can use that data to create content that directly addresses their concerns and needs. This builds trust and authority with your audience, which leads to higher conversion rates. Another key point is to test different strategies and optimize based on performance. If you see certain call to actions, images, or even product recommendations performing better, use that insight to refine your future content. A/B testing is essential in finding what works best, so don't hesitate to experiment. If you're wondering how to track this affiliate data effectively, I highly recommend checking out the software we'll be using in this video. I've tried all the popular tools, and this one stands out because it integrates seamlessly with your content platform and gives you deep insights into what's working and what's not. You can even get an exclusive free trial to test it out yourself. Just check the link in the description below. This offer is available only to viewers of my channel. To wrap up, the key takeaway from this video is simple. Use affiliate data to guide your content strategy by tracking performance, analyzing successful content, listening to your audience, and optimizing with A/B testing. By doing this, you can create highly targeted content that not only drives traffic but also increases conversions. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description if you want to start tracking and optimizing your affiliate performance right away. Thanks for watching.